In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive upload faster and effectively increase your upload speed. This simple guide will help you streamline the process and make sure you're getting the best performance out of your internet connection. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials and wait for your Drive dashboard to load. Before you begin uploading anything, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak network or fluctuating signal is one of the most common reasons for slow uploads. So give your connection a quick check if needed. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the file you want to upload. Navigate to the folder on your computer where it's stored. After finding the file, right-click on it. A small menu will appear. Hover over the option that says Open With, then from the expanded option select Connect More Apps. This step is important because third-party apps can enhance Google Drive's performance and help with faster uploads. Once you click Connect More Apps, a window will open with a search bar. In the search field, type the word Speed. You're looking for tools designed for optimizing upload performance. Soon you'll see an app called Speed Uploader for Google Drive. This is the tool we'll be using to help speed up your upload process. Click on the app to open its details page next. Click the Install button. Google Drive will begin connecting the app to your account. Depending on your settings, you may need to grant permission for the app to function properly. Go ahead and accept any necessary prompts. After installation, the Speed Uploader will be available whenever you need it. You can now use it to help move larger files or multiple items more efficiently. While results can vary depending on your internet bandwidth, this setup generally provides a noticeable improvement. To maximize your upload speed even further, you can also close background applications on your device, avoid uploading during peak internet usage hours, and switch to a wired connection if Wi-Fi is unstable. These simple adjustments can make a big difference in your overall upload performance. And there you have it. You've successfully optimized your Google Drive for faster uploads using a helpful tool and a few extra tips to boost your speeds. Even more, thanks for tuning in and taking the time to improve your Google Drive experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more easy and practical tech guides. Happy uploading, and I'll see you in the next video.